हाय सो आई एम बैक एज आई promised. आज पहला दिन है प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बात करने का. सो द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई विल बी शेयरिंग विथ ऑल ऑफ यू इज़ दिस ब्लॉसम कोचर अरोमा थेरेपी अंडर आई जेल. So this comes in this beautiful packaging of like it's a very beautiful floral summerish light blue color packaging, and it has got this tube inside. So it's a natural totally blossom culture as a brand is a totally 100% natural product. This product is my personal favorite. It is totally alcohol free, paraben free, toxins free, sulfate free, and it contains talking about the ingredients in this product, it is enriched with natural extracts badge, lemon peel, rose, flex seeds, aloe vera, green tea, cucumber, and pure essential oils of witch hazelnut, chamomile, and fennel. The texture of this cream is so beautiful, it's to die for. It's in a gel base, so you can apply it all around your eyes and on the eyes, uh, and you can just leave it for 5 minutes. It disappears within minutes, and you can also apply your makeup above it. It will not be seen at all because it totally blends with the skin so soon, and it gives a very beautiful aroma, although the aroma disappears in some time. And moreover, like you can use it also in the daytime. It doesn't have a oil base or anything, because in this climate when it is so humid, मैं अपने आसपास like I cannot use anything which is in this sort of oil. I can't even touch it, but this is totally a gel base, and it wonderfully blends around the eyes. I don't know whether आप लोगों के साथ कभी मैंने ये शेयर किया है या नहीं. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शेयर दिस विथ यू दैट द एरिया दिस एरिया around our eyes is 5 times more sensitive and thinner as compared to the skin of the face. So it needs obviously it needs extra care and attention. So, and I have actually never bothered about my dark circles or puffiness or anything. I'm lucky that I'm not having all that. So I really never needed to follow a routine which has this under eye gel or an eye care or something like that. But now, since once talking about my dermatologist about this, so she just recommended that you can go for it. It gives a very once applied, it gives a very moist and a very very soothing minty kind of effect on the face, especially under the eye. And like one more thing, that आप कुछ भी करो ड्यूरिंग द डे, जो एक्चुअल रिपेयर वर्क होता है, सो द एक्चुअल रिपेयर वर्क ऑफ द स्किन, द रेस्ट of the skin, all that happens at night. So applying it at night before going to bed, I think is a must. And within seconds it just gets absorbed with the skin, and it gives a very light refreshing feel. And it even like as it says, it lightens and refreshes, and also firms the area around the eyes. Can be applied anytime, even up under the makeup it can be applied, so no hassles. And even people who live in cold areas, who live in cold countries, they too can apply it during the day or night, whenever. And go out, just go ahead with it. It's a wonderful beautiful product. You'll fall in love with it. And now it's my go-to product. I cannot sort of, my night is incomplete if I don't use it. When you get up early in the morning and you wash your face, you really feel that here these areas are, they have a very soothing light effect. And so yeah, please go ahead and try it. And definitely it should work. It's a beautiful amazing product from Blossom Couture, and it's personally my favorite too. I can't do without it. I have been using it past 6 months and more, I think. So yeah, please apply it, try it, and then give your own opinion. One more thing, the lipstick that I'm wearing. I'm very fond of lipsticks. I love to use various colors and keep trying out. Even if I'm at home, I wear lipsticks. It's a part of my daily getting ready and dressing up. So the lipstick that I have applied right now is this. This is from the Academy of Colors, and the number and the name. Yeah, so the number is right. It's 645, and Eternity. Yeah, the name is Eternity. The number is 645. Academy of Colors. It's a beautiful lipstick. I mostly have all the colors of this brand, and even this, once it is applied, it is so light you will not even have a feeling that you're wearing a lipstick. So please go ahead, and as I recommend, try it out, and hope you'll find it helpful. So see you again with my other recommendations, and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.